Hello, welcome to another video by Dumb Data. In this video, walk you through the free 4 monthly dashboard using the Google Universal Analytics data. This dashboard is free to access. You can find the dashboard by going to this page. You can find the link in the description if you're watching from YouTube. If you're watching from any social media platform, you can find the link in the post or in the comment section. You can click on any of these buttons on this page. It takes you to the dashboard. In this video, I'll walk you through how to make a copy for yourself, how to make a copy of this dashboard, and also how to customize it to your own needs, and also how to get analysis and how to get insights on the 4 happening on your site from this dashboard. So click on this button right now. It takes you to this to the 4 dashboard that the data team has built for you. Don't worry about this video. We'll replace this video with the walkthrough video that we are recording right now. Then also there's the what you intend to get from dashboard, how you intend to customize it in your own way, the what and how you can ask us questions or probably find us and follow us. If you have any question, how you can reach out to us. We're always happy to hear from you. And also there's the overview part whereby it's like an overview of all of the data so far. What you have to know is that the filters are your friend. They make it easy for you to slice data, in the way you want to view the data. So the date filter here is for you to make controls of the date. By default, it's set to last 30 days, including the day which you are viewing the data on the dashboard. So you can always customize it. Remember, it's your friend also. You can make it your feed, or you can change it the way you want. Then also you can slice by campaign to just view a particular campaign, filter for a particular campaign, and it filters through. Same thing for page, same thing for medium, same for device category. Now, this is the number of times people have viewed the 4 on your site. This number of times people started on the 4 on your page. So maybe I clicked on a particular campaign, or I searched on Google, then I clicked on the Google listing and it takes me directly to the 4 page. This is what this number here reflects. So it reflects the number of times people landed on the 4 page while starting the section on your site. It's a number that you really need to watch out for and needs to make sure that it's it's even zero. To the best minimum, because it's not right for you to land your site and the first thing they see is the 4 page. Most time it happens when you change your URLs or you make your website design. That's when most of this stuff happens. Or for example, when you have a change of URL, for example, you change a lead magnet URL. Sometimes it also happens on that kind of stuff. And also the exit is number of people that exit percentage is number of people, the percentage of exit that happen on the 4 page. So this is not the number of exit percentage so far, but just number of people that exited from 4 page. I don't know if it's really a nice thing for people to leave your 4 page, because it's best they leave on other pages, but not the 4 page. They might be leaving due to dissatisfaction or due to some other reason that is well known to them. So it's a number that I really also like to watch out for again. Then this is the average time people spent on your 4 page. So you need to be careful with this number. It means users spend an average of 1 minute 22 seconds on your 4 page to make a decision either to stay or to leave, right? So it's the number you also watch out for. Then there's the daily trend and there's the hourly trend. For the daily trend, it shows you the 4 that's happening on your site on the daily chart, so you can see the number of, for example, on the 14th of April, we have about 14 4 that happened. Then the hourly trend is just shows you based on hour in the last 30 days. So you can see per hour on 8 o'clock in the morning, we have about 289 4 that happened. So you can easily trace, it's just for you to trace 4 when they happen by hour and when they happen by day. Then in the 4 pages, this is where you can, remember, the filter is your friend, the deals filter, the campaign filter, page filter is maybe you want to view for a particular page, you can view that from here. And the medium is also your friend, and the category is also your friend. You can filter based on what you really want to filter. These are all the 4 that happen on your site. Remember, one thing is that you can also export. When you click here, you click on export, then you can change the name of the file, so that when you export it, it comes in with the name that you insert here. You can export as CSV, Excel format, or in Google Sheet. You can also keep your formatting if you intend to keep the formatting also. Then you can click on your export, then boom, you have a exported file based on the file you select. Then you can sort also if you intend sorting, you can sort. Then remember, this URL here is a link that it says, so you can click on any of these files here, any of the URL here, to find out, is this URL really a 4 page? You click on it to see if it has been edited or not. You can see that it's a 4 page, so you can come send out this to your developer and say, oh, please can you direct this page to this social page, or can you just redirect it to the home page, right? Um, then this number of unique, you can sort. Remember, is your friend. Number of unique is number of times unique. You can see that 502. So most times when somebody's on the 4 page and you load again, this is what causes the discrepancy that you see here. The difference is here is that they already loaded it once, but here's when they did a kind of reload twice. So it, as you see, if the user is for this, I kind of look at um, the ratio of these two and see what is actually happening is that maybe people really want to get something from this page, right? But they're not seeing what they tend seeing. So probably they're trying to reload, or maybe due to speed or some other reasons, um, they're actually reloading that particular page, right? So you can also export, like I said, and you can click to view for that particular page to check out if it's truly a 4 page. Then in the how they encounter is just like a very simplified path analysis on how they find your 4 page. So, for example, if they landed on the entrance section, it's going to be that, oh, they landed here. If it's a particular page, um, it's going to be a particular page. So one thing that so for example, the person that visited this particular 4 page came in through from this page here. So you can see they came in through from this page. From this page, you're able to access this 4 page. So you can go to this page and check out, is there a link that links to the particular page that takes you just to 4 page, or for this also you can check out that and see. Then you can easily trace back the 4 for this particular URL. So for entrance, you can see that they landed here and they landed directly to the 4 page. You can also export it if you want also. By the time you're making of this dashboard, you'll be able to apply a filter to view for pages that users landed only on 4 error or non stuff. So you'll be able to filter by either they landed or they did not land on the 4 error, so that it may be easy for you to easily access pages that user landed on the 4 error. By the meantime, you can just click here and you kind of sort by in your choice, in the way you really want to sort. So I can sort again and say, okay, you can see it's now all entrances. You can see it. I have all entrances right now. You can see it right now. All I have is just all entrances first. So this is another way you can hack that you can make use of. Let me just reset everything and click out here. Then that's just it for this for this dashboard. How to make analysis with the dashboard. Now to make a copy, you have to click on this part here. You make a copy for yourself. You can see it says the original data source is unknown, blah 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 blah. You click on new data source, you select your type. I have a universal analysis here, so I'll click on universal analysis here. You can see it, right? Yeah, you can see it right now. So you can click on it, then you click on copy report. Don't worry about the naming, you change it once it loads right now. Then you can give it a name. Here, you can give it a name you can give it to it. Now you can change the name here based on what you really want to change. You can customize this part to your choice, depending on what you really want to do. You click on the overview to start customizing your stuff. So first of all, I want to tell you that you have to change the filter. I won't advise you to click on resource and manage filters because of how this stuff behaves. But what I just advise is click on any of the metric here, then click on click on any of the metric, then you come to this data source here, then you select the filter. You're going to see the filter here. Click on the pencil icon to edit it, then change it based on what is your 4 error page title, right? It's based on page title. So for example, in my dummy site, my page title for this 4 error is this. You can see it. I make use of document or title to show you, so you can see that it's 4 is page not found dash coffee tribe. That is my title of all my 4 pages. For Google, you can see Google only is just 4. This is a Google Workspace page. There are 4 pages, 4 page. You can see these are 4 page. You can see, right? So you can do that, or either over on the tab for you to get the 4 page. So once you've done that, you change that based on what is yours, right? For your site. Then you might notice a little kind of glitch when you go to the 4 pages. You might see that it's kind of broken, right? It's going to change to internal promotion. Don't really bother yourself about that. This is what I'll just advise you. I will advise you do this, right? Advise what you just do is come to this page, you come to this part of the, you come to this, you click on it, you can click on it, you click on this part, edit data source. We'll be creating a calculated feed on the data source level, right? Not on the chart level, but on the data source level. You click on add the feed right now, then you copy this formula, you paste it. It's going to be on the dashboard. I'm going to paste it on the dashboard. You'll be able to access it on the dashboard. On the overview, you'll be able to see it on the overview. By the time you make it on the dashboard, you copy it, you paste it, then you give it any name you tell to give to it. Let's say, for example, I'll give it page hyperlink, right? Or calculated. I do this calculated page hyperlink. Why I do always do this is so that I know so I know that the calculated page is also hyperlinked, right? Just to describe it, click on save. Don't worry, it's going to show you a green check mark here. Don't worry. Click on save, then click on finished. Then once you do that, you click on this part here. Click on car. You see it here. You can see calculated hyperlinked. You drag it to this place. You replace it with this the one there. Then you can change it. You can see it's now showing here. Then you can change the name to 44 error pages hyperlinked. Then boom, you have what you have your stuff right now. You can see. But our advice for some most I've seen some setup whereby why you are seeing this is because of this formula we're going to work is for users that have you can see it for users that have page as this. Let's say for example your page is this, right? Your page part is slash stuff in Google Analytics. But if you are pushing the full URL to Google Analytics, then you just have to just make use of you have to just change this part to your full page, right? So if you have a full page right, that you are pushing to Google Analytics, you have to just change this to page, right? So then also have to put this as page, right? So that is it for people who are pushing the full URL to Google Analytics. But if you're not pushing the full URL to Google Analytics, that is just it. Sorry, use this formula, right? It's going to show you a green check mark. Yeah. So that's just it for people who are pushing in the full page URL. You can make it of this straight ahead without no problem. You also find it in the dashboard also. But if you are making use of, if your page is showing in Google Analytics as / stuff like the page part only, then you use the previous one that we have here, which is this one that you have here, right? Which is in the dashboard also. So that is it for this video. Remember, the video is brought to you by Dumb Data. Dumb Data is a free analysis, 100% free analysis resource hub for better measurements. It helps you. We also have free resources in the areas of event listeners. We have over 35 plus event listeners for tracking conversions and interaction with different tools of marketing tools on your site. And we're also working on more conversion, more event listeners that will be publishing soon on this site. We have a lot that we're working on. We also have free implementation worksheet I can make use of. We have the FVP implementation worksheet, the full implementation worksheet, GA4 implementation worksheet, GA event documentation, the Peak Pro, the GA4 migration worksheet. We have a lot of worksheets that we are working on also that we have here that are free to access. And we're also working on more and more worksheets. We just finished about 2 or 3, but they won't be shared here. We are going to publish them soon on the site also. We also have free work dashboard that I can make use of. And we are also working on more and more dashboard template, and then also Power BI dashboard also in the future. We tend to also add Power BI templates in the future. Then also we are working on 2 free analytics tools that are also helping in analytics management and analytics implementation, management and debugging also. Yeah. Then also you can check out our blogs and our YouTube channel where we'll be posting videos on different measurement topics. Then you can also follow us on subscribe on YouTube. Follow us on LinkedIn or subscribe to our newsletter where we post out once in a while. We put out updates on different stuff that happen on our site on the measurement space. It might be once in a month, it might be twice in a month, but we don't regularly send out emails. So that is it for this video. And until then, all I can say is happy